Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make ghee mysore pak. Let's start the recipe. The ingredients are 1 cup gram flour, 1 cup sugar, 3/4 cup oil and 3/4 cup ghee. Now add the 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water into the pan. Mix it well. Add 3/4 cup of ghee and 3/4 cup of oil into another pan. Warm the ghee and oil. Take 1 cup from this for the gram flour mix. Keep the remaining half cup for the later use. Mix it well. Mix it well like this. If you check the consistency, it should be a string like this. Add gram flour mix into the sugar syrup. Stir it well. Stir it well. When the consistency becomes thick, add the remaining cup of ghee and oil. Keep stirring. Keep stirring until it becomes like a halwa consistency. Keep stirring. Now it is changed like a halwa. Move this into a bowl which has ghee applied inside. Keep it for 45 minutes. Now you have to cut into the edges. You can cut it into the shape however you want. It's very soft and delicious. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.